60 years ago, pretty much to the day, the Beatles recorded their very first hit, Please Please Me, at Abbey Road Studios. Steinway's piano was there, Dougie Millings, the tailor, was there. We made all the suits for the Beatles, the first ones being the round neck suits. Yeah. So my father came up with the collarless suit, and thereafter. So this evening is rather special because it is actually 60 years since this started. And we have a sort of a friendship with Steinway because of the music and Abbey Road Studios, and I think it's a great time, sort of now to celebrate 60 years, and let's hope it goes on.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you something I think you'll understand. Oh please.